Me father didn't give me.
I don't know where I said, "Man, make a from Mama see. Can't Tie. I said, "Man, make a Mama Nunsi." Huh?
Kasa.
I know a king where dear.
I don't know what. I don't know who you put boni for us.
Me and me who nipa body ni say my day.
There's some now. Oko catch precious.
I don't
know. No, precious there. Aroma. Prana Aroma. Bleeding and sunny and yana did into one bamboo dress and son man. And then my buy an amotia. And I woman I was saying you Nina. And I have precious and
me. Precious in me and Bacatans won't make treaty Aroma Crone.
Precious say, men are mati.
Say, gracious.
Bad boy. Obey. Opoku. Obey.
Adams. Me no fire on corner. Adams, the Ben was a Mimaya Boneda.
So that's the first time for everything. Obey, 1 hour.
Adams, me. Precious in the catch law.
And precious in
the catch law.
Mati.
Why in the catch law?
Opoku, why?
Why in the count and Mammy wouldn't
pretend, Usuba no who school 154 once.
My lord.
Why?
God, have mercy upon. Me, my day.
Why? When I go catch again. When I walk on the Aroma boom. Saturday now, when I walk on the Aroma boom.
But the minimum no say back for Jesus.
So we are why on baby Bonsambi as a me and I say me who you school mo say and I me know you shim
Jesus
who near be brave we are style
rade kaso rade kasa say no cry papa kasa
no me
scanty we see them see no tien scanty me ntimi nyo boneda scanty
dead e ban say na radio koye
enya me get no person otete scanty can a person attend?
Precious it's me no ntema no nya then no be nya free
kanti 35 on coin kanti inti wo ye hwe ha ya ma precious attend kanti
one hour didn't timone ba
yes yonku bi swinua ya kanti ene yes wi ase humani suma minti na atwemienu na kanti me no fire yonku busi an ho se da pen na maye bibia ti understand
and afraid no why
kanti me
nti na me yam
kanti me nya hwe ye nto na ga ni twato so kanti ha
o twan troto so no nya de
nti na
why ye no one say why ye by mistake na by our patron is
precious kwa me ni komo kra fa Aroma kra wota
Opoku de bia fan fuli me na ma why ye
me nya oh precious no me hia ni bia won komo na me di kire no me kra me ni di nkomo se nka mo wie su nka mo nye word mo try na nka mo nye word
jai sa fan fooling na me baby am nya source ni free no Opoku waka
nya source ni free o
de won na mfa won sa waka on so we ma show
de me nka me donya kopon ata soro we e fam kra na me donya kopon kanti we kanti
me wo shiu
kanti me donya kopon
Opoku why why do you crash say why
ni adwenbone ma oda
wo adwenbone se wonya me ho adwenbone minim abra odiju me chok boss wonya me ho adwenbone wonya ya da for one we be bonsam
auntie the precious no I na adwen so obetete me no wontama precious no be a me hia ni bia mabu no
Opoku me tonyame ka bibia nka dem de be yo kama buo kun de fansa kan gbe no
babu mi
ma sa ka precious we dey hu na man one na say ni say keke me bu Opoku
can't you babu mi na kume
fansa ka precious
yemfa na for toncha yemfa bibia toncha scanty mi donya kopon hata so scanty me ni utijina say scanty ma bu mekum scanty yemfa bibia toncha fa na for toncha scanty yentinyina ma bu mekum
o be say etijina fansa ko kan ge enye kasa bebre fansa ko kan no o say ka precious e be yemi nu edu school wa
sa we shall see scanty we shall see
me no
woni me asia gela ko ka asia na me so to floor asia man gela ko ka asia ma chone se nyampa timi wo ba ha wo be di me matem am I children hey ade woni pa chime boy na chime achime I was having pay idea for coupe dupe mama drink coupe nim dem eh
Leave me.
Can it?
Why?
You know, I've been reflecting on my actions and how they've affected you. Can it? I really hurt you, I know. I'm sorry.
I said you are forgiven.
Can it's just that I didn't know how much I took for granted. Can everything. The time we spent together, Can
You are now realizing all of that. I told you are going to regret your actions. You thought I was kidding.
I've regretted.
You left me for my own best friend.
It was a mistake, Kanye.
I said you are forgiven.
Please, Kanye, please.
I'm not interested. I don't love you.
Kanye,
so what do you mean by that?
Please forgive me. I promise I won't repeat anything again. I've regretted, Kanye. Please accept me back.
What are you so stupid to accept you back?
And I can't do without you when you know this.
You were able to do without me some time ago. So you can do without me.
Please.
Aroma! Which one is Precious? Why are you mentioning Precious' name?
Me no do masum
Aroma. Let me help.
Hey,
calm down.
Wait, why?
Why? You're asking me why?
What do you want here?
You are here mentioning Precious' name.
How does that concern you? Huh?
Aroma, is that how things are supposed to be?
Yes, that is how things are going now. Because Wama Obia Bebomi, I don't know who that guy is.
That is my uncle. So that you are telling me you are actually mentioning Precious' name because somebody came to the hostel to come and beat you up.
I never asked for about this. You and that freaking monster. Hey, wait.
Wow.
Wait.
Precious. What's going on between you two?
Hey, Seer. I am not in the mood for this.
What's going on between you two?
Seer, trust me, you don't know me. Huh? You don't know me, please. Now get the hell out of my sight.
You are playing, right?
Get the hell out of this Go!
I'm not leaving.
You're not leaving. Oh, what?
Aroma,
Precious,
I need an explanation.
I swear.
You're calling me Precious. You are calling me Precious. Do I look like Precious to you, Aroma? Do I look like Precious to you?
You can't start this.
Are you being serious right now?
I am fucking serious. I'm damn serious. You let that guy. I don't know who that guy is to you. I don't even care.
I asked you to go and fight him, did I?
You didn't ask me to fight him, right? You didn't ask me to fight him.
Oh, no, I'm Precious.
I'm not ready for this.
Oh, we shall see. We're in the same place. We need to see. Sure.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any month.
From 11 p.m. to 12 a.m.
11 p.m. A assignment to me can't say me see assignment.
Seminar me bachelor. It's me na me name time and yes, sir.
Maybe 4, 5, maybe after class.
4, 5 I'm a call dining.
When did you know
4, 5 4, 5 I'm a call dining. So then you know, then 8 or 9.
8 or 9.
8 or 9.
8.
Was that time? Then you know 9. Send a bell about boys.
Oh, okay, 8 ni okay.
Boys, yes, a boys in the room.
I don't know me again.
Oh, Kasa.
Yes, she and the
I say, yeah, give to listen. I say, many problems go still to know.
You say 9.
But one can sound to me your way. Because in any actual class, that's not
logarithms.
No cross on F.
Hey, me them in topic.
By our bones that the business 1 plus 1 is
why now? We know why now.
This is 1
plus 4.
7, 8.
So 4 plus 4 is 7.
8.
We know why now.
Okay, so how many put them?
Okay.
Maybe when me, possibly was to see is believe. Maybe when you, that's all no patrol.
All this while, I didn't believe you.
I feel the old one near me. Okay, me 2 million, no much this year. And I want to make what him. Me man voting Korea the engine. Not that you been a cover problem.
So why did he tell me he likes me?
And I made them just no, upon I don't want to do. Upon the dear so I dare so I dare. Sure, never only Popema. Auntie. Negawi. Or per match will be over as Negawi.
Let me tell you one secret. I just started developing interest too.
Jesus. To develop an interest. Jesus, I break this in the name of Jesus.
Why are you breaking it?
I break it in the name of Jesus. Christ apostolic.
Ah.
I break it in the name of Jesus.
You have to help me. I don't think it's that serious.
No. Why are you getting interest in someone that is already engaged? Whilst I'm here, I'm not engaged.
I know he's not interested in her.
No, he not interested in you. He is interested in the girl. Look at her. If she is interested in you, and she will be with a girl, going with a girl.
We don't know what. Let me just talk to him.
She's the boy who loves Botos. She's the boy who loves Botos. Right now they are going to a hotel. I know, yes. They are going to sleep.
So they've been meeting.
This is not the first time. This is not the second time. This is not the fourth time.
Then why haven't you been calling me all this while?
Na say me kan na nti bi agro na ya meeting. Nti ya na me pese wa wodu ani hu bi. We want to for me.
Maybe he's not serious. Maybe he's not serious
about
it.
He's not serious. Okope. Na ojina. Nipa de kope. Obra be ma. Hey rade. We as yes the pay ya nya. Ana di onya so ya no ompe. Kami mi gina yi. Obra. Hey.
I've started developing interest. Not in you, in him.
Bro, inside, why?
Opoku.
Just a minute.
You have to help me.
Help you for the where? For the who? For the what? Me jani mu catch him. Me say we developing interest amom. Na me ya ponche. Huh?
Am I about this?
Am I a sheep? Me ya ponche. Me jina wani mu developing feelings amom. What developing feelings amom obi or no obi ako?
You are not my type.
I'm not your type. Hey, here the matter.
You're a nice guy, but you're not my type.
I'm not your type. I don't mean me a type C and I me a type way.
Opoku.
Me Opoku. Do you know that I'm falling for you? So when I'm falling, I'm saying
Opoku, we are talking about Scanty, not you.
But the boy is sending someone to a hotel.
They are not serious.
You are serious. This boy go give you sickness. Oh. Boy no kona hu ni simple oh very you. Obe ma very bia. Boy no kono. You know very. Don't mind him. I'm here for you, precious. Look at. You see the ensure your door on the co him. What you say? And a normal motor classem. And no to boom. Precious, ye fata ya home. Why don't you give me a chance? You dey give me 1 week, okay? Mama 1 week pay. Tell me mwawa no jamesi.
I think I like Scanty now. Opoku.
Unim now bom give me mama 2 pound no olo ni na bo what? Onim cause of him.
I'm serious about Scanty.
You are serious
now.
about who? Am I today? Me no na jina no me ye di nkomo obi de oba nam ho. O so no no mom na o crash on no. Me am I a children?
Opoku, I could have considered you, but your head is too big.
What's it?
Your head.
Mimi tison. They said what we can. Mimi tison. Me boy. Party.
Opoku.
Okay, precious, let me tell you one thing, precious. P for prayer. The person me di many brother so. Who many brother? The person me di many brother so. But the many brother so one way I kala kokko kama no me no. One way I better no ko blacky.
Opoku, Opoku, you were the one that was coming to talk to about.
So what can I do for you?
Just talk to him for.
Talk to who? Scanty Bay. The person I'm coming to talk to, she's with another girl. Why can't you be with another boy?
Your head.
Huh?
Your head is too big.
Yeah, Jimmy, I know what Jimmy.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya.
Seer.
What? Aroma, what? Don't touch me.
See, I know things have been rough between us. Anyway, I want to apologize for talking to you that way the last time. I'm very sorry.
Do you know the person you're talking to?
I know who I'm talking to.
I'm
Seer.
not Precious, I'm Seer.
I know, Seer.
Talk. Stop mentioning my name. I don't like it.
Seer, please. I love you. I know this. I really love you. You know that time, it was a slip of tongue. I don't know why I even mentioned Precious.
So what happened? Why were you mentioning?
I was having a dream. I don't know.
A dream.
It was a scary dream.
A dream.
She was chasing me with this cutlass and.
You are calling a dream scary? A dream.
See, in the dream, the girl was chasing me with cutlasses and all those things. So I was just, fighting for my life. That's why. Please.
You want me to believe that?
See, don't you trust me?
This is not about trust. I was there. You were mentioning her name, Precious.
See, you weren't in the dream. I was in the dream.
Now you are shouting me.
I'm not shouting. Hey. Sorry, Seer. I'm very.
Don't touch me.
Sorry, Seer. Sorry. You've come this far, please. Please, I'm very sorry.
This is what you wanted, right?
This is not what I want.
You wanted to take revenge, so fine.
Seer,
I'm so cool with it, okay?
I'm not taking any revenge, Seer. I love you and you know this.
I want me to believe that.
Why shouldn't you believe me, Seer? Don't you know I love you? You know that I love you, right? Whatever thing that has happened, I'm very sorry. I take responsibilities. I'm the one at fault. It is me. I'm sorry, Seer. Please forgive me.
I'll think about it.
Hey, Seer.
Why are you dragging me here? And I said I'll think about it.
I'm sorry, but please listen to me. Seer, there's one more thing. Can you please limit how you've been going out? Please, at least. Just limit. I'm not saying you shouldn't go out. No, that's not what I'm saying. Please, don't get me wrong. But please limit how you go out. I don't like it. Please. Okay.
Sure. So can I go now? Okay. So.
And Seer, please. And one more thing. Where are you going again?
I'm going to meet my uncle.
Huh?
My uncle.
A more woman. You're going to meet your uncle.
Why do you have a problem with that?
No, tell me from Seer.
No, so I can't meet any relative of mine again.
That's not.
Why do you want to go and escort me?
No, please, no. Why, please?
Let's go.
Which uncle of yours?
The one that came here the last time, the one that came from UK.
Your uncle?
The tall one.
You mean your uncle?
My uncle, yes. The dark one.
Okay.
Why do you have a problem with it?
No problem.
Do you want to go with me? Fine, we can go together.
No, please. No, please. No. I'm not going anywhere, please. So I'll be inside.
Okay. So I'll get you something when I'm coming. What do you want?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Not even drink.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso.
Next time I'll be clear about you with that and Eziat, you go home for good. Opoku mumra. Who again as who slow me? He's sick. Okay, he's sick. I know he's sick. You have a new colleague or a campo, they'll go stay around. But and you say one fan in your mama, and you no bear school, you need by seven neighbor Chiamo, Nampetina, he will come with his luggages. Or Mamma, someone shall so mammy. So, or your teacher near became was the one. No, he's a student as well. Shut up, you see. Nampetina, Bowby, was it like I told you, you have to shave yourself, shave everything off. Okay. Okay. You today I didn't see you in class. Where were you? Sick bay. You are sick bay. What is the meaning of that?
I'm sick bay. Because sick bay.
Say I was at the sick bay. Say it.
I'm just sick bay.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm going to the pharmacy to get some painkillers.
Do you have an exeunt?
Yes, sir.
Where is it?
Sir,
he's lying. He just want to go.
Speak English.
Yo. So I'm not feeling well. I need to buy the painkillers.
But you can't go out without an exeunt.
That's why I'm asking permission, sir.
I'm giving you 10 minutes.
So to the pharmacy.
Yes, I'm giving you 10 minutes to return back.
All right, sir.
Yeah, think that's well for me.
To know what?
You see them? They are so stubborn.
He is. This will be it.
It's the same as I tell them on the make-up. It's not when your man beba.
Yes, sir. Very exams next 2 weeks.
Yes, I know.
Na so me so me mark class with you.
Oh, my class. I didn't know my class. But say, colleagues from at least. Then you glance through. Have you not been doing that?
Then I'm take class plan a balance and I'm make glance through.
Hey, Opoku.
And you was some more. And a boy, you know, I didn't know if I know Aroma more because one of my mom.
One more year, man. And then you might have a mess of number. The whole no better. Huh?
I open.
Open.
With the video game.
Aroma, not Aroma, Kwan at home.
Do you own this hostel? Do you own it? Obey my orders. Me see home na oba. Let me know when you make eh? Okay. So I'm leaving.
Okay, sir. Okay. See
Thank
you.
you. Okay.
Yo, G, also. Never say.
Jonas.
Now
James say.
Nasi Jonas. Nasi them. Now then, I only had other on person picture.
Now what best is having a bit to stubborn boy.
Oh.
Find him a brother.
So you're right inside and something. You're right inside and something. And I'm in so much. Oh, but changing so much. Oh, wait. Me in so one. Famboy. Me in so one. Na bla he. What do you mean? I'm a flower. Oh, kono. Ah. Yaro for mo ba for fry na manu so say junior e boa. Eh now yaro. Pabla ba see me float now. Stupid boy. Maybe nyabotre. You know me? Do you know the person I am? Me kasa one wo watima talk am me ma begina hanum na wo da to gina ho. Yaro ma me ka se me chiro. Me school man na me won me ma kire ma bodam. Utie, e ba na gina bom ti no. Uti mu za ma agina sei. Ah?
What do you say?
Who was that? Your friend?
What do you say? I say you feel now.
Your friend say.
A friend, darling boy.
Asia, yeah, the Opoku atoto ya wo no. O the darling na be school mu a. O be darling wa so me boa.
Me dey no.
Bu di no.
A friend, darling boy.
Amo, watch not on way.
Yo.
Ah. Watch not on way.
That be mean
what on way? You watch it, bra. Ah. You what? When that Jimmy me she was what? You watch it, bra, na Jimmy no.
Otherwise,
me watching.
Amo, you watch it, bra.
you go garden.
Scanty. Family, you watching, bra.
Was me watching me to way me watching man.
You watching, man.
Guys, how long?
Scanty. Scanty, oh my yaro phone. Say na de ba. Me mati yaro na mi
we na say na so na some sense me hwe na mention
what was your answer? Mati yaro na mi we na no asem a ka kire. Let's one na pia fam to ana.
On tree for us work for na man. I dey na say na fair wa ba.
Dem dey na throw for me boy.
Then I dey.
Okay. Me mati John na me we na John. Wo wa be pam John na ma John ko.
Me boy. I just sound.
Na Jimmy akwa na be to ya no pesa akwa na fam style be. Huh?
Na what you know watch na be man I respect one. Say ya umfanya this na umuna msumwana okikama football na kwasi asemu kwa menya ho adaje me
yeah me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embro with me yeah me pesa me come any months me yeah oh lord I pray
I want to talk to you about something.
It's really good I've met you here. I already wanted to have a conversation with you.
Alright.
I wanted you to know that I'm not going to help you dress your wounds anymore. Just know that it's done. I'm not going to help you.
Why? What's wrong? Why?
I don't have any explanation to give you. I just don't want to do it anymore.
Precious. Are you for real? Why?
I'm not going to help you anymore. That's just it. There's no explanation to it. And I don't owe you any explanation, do I?
No, you don't really want
Yes,
me.
I just don't want to do it anymore.
Did I do anything wrong?
No, you haven't.
So why? I like the fact that we are not more together, but then, you are there to help me when I'm in need.
I'm not your friend.
I know.
We are not in any relationship together. So, I'm not going to help you.
Precious, I have not taken your kindness for granted. I really appreciate everything you are doing for me.
Sure.
So why? Why are you doing this?
I'm not going to help you anymore. Just find someone else to help you.
Did anybody say anything to you?
No. Nobody can spoon feed me with any words. I'm just here to tell you that I'm not going to help you. It doesn't even make sense for your ex to help you fix your wounds.
I know it doesn't make sense, but Precious,
I'm not going to help you.
You are a good person. This is not you. Why?
I'm not a good person.
Why the sudden change? Why?
I'm not going to help you. Just understand that.
So you mean to tell me that even if you see that I'm in need, you won't help me, you just walk away, just like that?
Yeah.
For no reason.
So just know that I'm not going to. This is what we are talking about. Know that I'm not going to help you in any way. Okay.
Precious. You know what? Wait. I know we are no more together. I know this, but did I do anything wrong again? Did I?
No, but we are not friends. Do you get it?
Why did you help me earlier? Why?
I just wanted to help you, and now I've realized that it's not a good idea.
So you don't want to help me again?
No.
Alright.
Okay. So I'm leaving.
Wait, Precious, wait. Are you stopping this because you are gradually developing feelings for me again?
Me gradually developing feelings for you? Oh, come on. You should know better. I will never ever get any feelings for you.
So you just want to stop?
Yes.
For no reason?
Yes. Don't ever bring that word. If you are standing here with me or whenever you are talking to me, don't ever mention feelings, because I'm not going to develop any feelings for you.
Alright.
Bear that in mind.
No
I'm
problem.
leaving.
Yeah, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me passa me come any months I jam me yeah.
Did I do anything wrong? Well.
Yeah, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me passa me come.
Hello. Say change. Now what now yes sir? Obi o se me twa ma twen wa wo ma da den na o yes sir. Me pede o ye no. And I'm tata on say me kasa sem no kwa nche me uni me ni bra na ka wo yes sir ne nche me. Ah. Me twen wo ye na bra, me twen wo ye na bra. Mama me ntimi kwa nsua ade e. Me ti class na me yema hye me aden. En kasa ne nche me. Sebe. Enya afi na obepe maye di neti o mame kan hwe o meni abre wan hwe ya unhu me ye hye na o kase me di ubedi agro o kase me di me se me twen wo ye na bra because wo che ye na bra why dey That pacho you mate. Pacho you mate. Bye.
I kidnap you for na. As a walk as I won't put.
E fa ho ben. Ah.
David that there we share me out as me pure so as I won't put simple. Hey, you can say. Dan no ye na me no kasa. Mana ne kasa.
Me papa na me ne kasa.
And as I walk as I will so as a pressure be down so.
Pressure be na me so me hu fa.
But first of course. I didn't know what for take that issue and the now on na hostel.
Me hu fa me be pay draw ni say me dey afre me papa say oh say ni miska no me fa go pay.
Ah, mo ne akwa class na mo ma fa ho abehye hostel na mo ye course no me bo a.
Mama ne fa ho be ye course.
Na se nya se me yare tena hostel, me yare ya me tena hostel, a me nheda ma class a. Anka we no nka fa makoso achi ka me ni mo hwe.
Den na for so achi.
Ubusam se den na, oni ma yenyam.
Me ne ma yenyam.
Wonyam.
Me nyam.
Ha! Asantua.
Me nyam.
You are pregnancy test.
Eh?
You are asking me Wonyam.
Me nyam o. Menye miss me me papa na kasa.
Me dia yan koma wodi nyina gumasum. Wonyem woni mayenyum.
Ote.
Who be some mete? Say no crowd mate, my boy headmaster man.
Hey, Opoku.
Eh, no crowd mate.
Opoku me
my boy headmaster. Me wo pa mo macho.
O de beti. Me nyimo enyi sa.
Oni o de me nka say wonyem ade mate. Why?
Oh, Opoku me sraw. Here the siren. Me sraw.
Yo, what say me a siren? Me boss frame siren. Okay, fine. Mate. Let's me say ben. Are you a pregnancy test?
No, I'm not pregnancy test.
Okay, fine. I'm going to headmaster.
Are you pregnant?
Okay, ebia de me yan say wonyem ana wonyem.
Me.
Okay, fine. Wonyem mamati. Fine.
Oh,
wonyem. Yo kan na me ti yo, na say wutwa me ntray.
Me twa wontrol.
We student, me so me student. And I was santo a wo me pa, wa sem dada. School wa me ne unya problem da. Me ntimi nkofa problem so mra o. Me ye nipa, unim se dem sitie. Se wan ka no kra na e bia metimi da koteni, but o ka no kra is between me and you.
Me ka no kra won ka. Ah, Opoku minimu o.
Se dem si pe wa asem no.
Dey be minimu o.
Se
uche empty everywhere.
Oh, there be nya asem bia na me. Obi asem bi o mfa me ho ya na me share dance spread it. So you. Ah? Onye mai. One nenyam. One mai nyam.
Asa me said anya sure.
But one nyam.
Me said anya sure say bia no.
But period ama.
Asa but create bia.
Let's say one mai aye bibi. Oh, you man no eh. Na me I say we do police station I try no asem. One mai aye bibi.
Oh, me na ye bibi oh,
okay,
but
okay.
Wait,
No kwa na me pese
me church mu ya true.
Okay.
Me na ye bibi oh. And then you say minimum, but I say
Wonyem who say tantro. Okay, fine.
Me church Opoku.
Wonyem.
Aye.
Yes. One mai nyem.
Ah.
Okay, fine. Mati. Inti you betima ko class.
Opoku dem men kan chobia me fa acho.
Me dem me ka chobia ide. Ai. Betima ko class. Ai.
Who is sure so kan chobia.
Oh, can dem men ka ba ma record it.
Opoku.
Oh, I recorded that. Isha.
Opoku we say they are so blackmailing me.
They are blackmailing, but I said a china 70, the beer 70. If you are not continuing, baby, maybe I walk on her when you say beer. One can hear not recording so high.
Me mean car say me ko ha me ni tie me bo aso wo de bi.
And I make you say when they meet me delete you.
Me
phone your record I want to delete.
This see we are recording.
Me kwa me delete. Why? Me kwa me delete. So they will ma. Feel okay na ko class. Me. Oh. Me nyehwe. Why? Feel okay na ko class. Why?
Wo de delete me muska.
Me delete.
Any
delete wo hono any me delete.
Sa kwa na delete.
Me kwa ana una be kire me phone mu ana.
Dey be nye se wo pokun pese me.
So unye serious. Me dey be pese me hu no na me hu no. Why? What me ada hono me ma ye.
The siren ya ti me wo.